Hey guys, this is Utsav from Wow Production, and today we're gonna edit this photograph of my friend, and today I'm gonna go and enhance this photograph. Let me show you the background first. This is the whole photograph. As you can see, there is a light coming from the left side to the face of this guy, and there is a solo light of orange, as you can see. So we're gonna increase the highlights first. So I'm gonna increase the highlights to the max, that is 100%, and I'm gonna increase the shadows as well to increase the brightness of this photograph, so to brighten up a little bit. So I'll be increasing the shadows to around 40% or 39, whatever. 40% looks fine. So I'm gonna open up the image, and as you can see, the image looks like this. Literally nothing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just enhance the photos before editing it. So we're gonna remove this spot here. So we're gonna first duplicate this layer by dragging to the new layer, or you can just simply right click and duplicate it, or press Ctrl+J or Command plus J. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go to the spot healing tool, and we're gonna spot heal this. As you can see, it's vanished properly. And the next step, what you have to do is you just have to drag this away. As you can see, it's gone, but there is a part which doesn't look fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the background and duplicate it again. Just hide the upper layer and go to the lasso tool and click on the polygonal lasso tool. And we're gonna click and create a copy of this portrait like this, and press Ctrl+J or duplicate, and we're gonna remove the copy of the background, and we're gonna drag this up a little bit higher, and you're gonna increase or resize the image like this. And what you're gonna do next to make it more real, just go to the layer mask and go to the brush tool and select the soft round brush tool and hardness 0, and just brush it, just paint it a little bit so that it just blend in the background. That's it. So now it's turn to edit the image. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go to the curves, because that is the god of everything right here. Let me zoom out a little bit of the image, and we're gonna first create a point here in the first column, the input level 62, and we're gonna decrease it a little bit to give it a depth effect. And we're gonna click another point here, create another point, and increase it a little bit. And we're gonna create a here also, and that's it. To give it a meta effect, we're gonna increase this output level to around 10 or 7%. That look fine. And after it, as you can see, the image looks perfect. It's like good rather than that faded effect. So as you can see, there's a lot of changes right now. Right here you can see. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I would like to brighten up the image a little bit. So I'm gonna go to the adjustment and brightness and contrast, and I'm gonna increase the brightness around little bit around 20%. And after that, we're gonna go to adjustment again, and we're gonna take a solid color, and I'll go with the black and press OK. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the opacity, and I'll decrease, and sorry for the mic, and I'm gonna decrease the opacity to around 25%. And I'm gonna go to the layer mask, gonna select the brush tool, and let me zoom out the image, and I'm gonna take the brush zoom, and I'm gonna brush the face area, or you can just say the center area, and I'll brush it all. As you can see, there is a vinyl type of effect right here. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go to the adjustment again, and I'm gonna select color lookup. So the color lookup does it has a pre-made presets which can change your photos. So my favorite one is Kodak 5218. So I'm gonna select that, and I'm gonna decrease the opacity around 20% right here, or 18%, doesn't matter. And I'm going to select this orange area by selective color. I'll go to yellow, And first let me change the red area. So I'm gonna go to the red, select the red color, and I'm gonna increase the cyan plus 20 or 21. Just play with the colors, increase the blacks little bit. As you can see, increasing blacks will help you out with the more color saturation. And I'm gonna go to yellow part because orange and yellow, as you know. So I'll decrease the cyan to minus 19 or 20. So I'll decrease it to 20% or 21%, and I'll decrease the yellow as well. So I'm gonna decrease the yellow to around minus 7%. So the next thing we can do is we can just go to the image, look up a little bit and make it more realistic. So I would like to add gradient on it. So I'm gonna go and select gradient, check the black and white gradient and just press reverse. What it does, it lets you focus on the main image to make it more focusable. So you just have to go to the gradient tool, select the layer mask and put it right here. And make sure you just go to and decrease the opacity to around 50%, 45%, doesn't matter. And as you can see, it's looked better than before. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna increase or decrease or test the levels of the image. So we're gonna go and select levels and we're gonna test out the, yeah, it's look more nice because the colors are popping out of the image like wow. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna just play with the colors, play with the background. So I would love to add a light before here. So I'm gonna go and take a brush tool and I'm gonna select this color and I'm gonna make a light effect like this. And I'll go to the screen or something like soft light. Soft light is not that good, so I'll go with the screen and I'll decrease the fill level to around 50%. Fine. And I'll make another layer and I will give a light effect to this area as well. I'll give it a soft light. Now screen looks fine. Decrease the fill and it's perfect. To make it more realistic, I'll go to the background layer again. I'll duplicate that layer in case of an backup. So I'll go here and press dodge image, dodge tool. I'll take the dodge tool and put it on the image right here to look it more brighten up and sharpen. I'll take the sharpen tool as well right here and I'll sharpen the image like this one. So as you can see, the image looks brilliant and it pops out of the color. And you can do one more thing. You just go and create a new layer, image option, apply image and just press OK. Here we go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the camera raw filter and we're gonna increase or play with the lights here, but we're gonna increase the light. We're gonna decrease the soft clarity. If you decrease the clarity, the image will be softened. So I'll be decreasing the clarity around 6 to 8%, and then I'll go to the HSL adjustment. I'll go to luminance and I will increase the red little bit. As you can see, this is perfect. So I'll decrease the saturation a little bit. As you can see, the image look dope. So that's it for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section what you want to see in the next video, and do subscribe me and help this channel out. And this was the before and this is the after of that image. I hope you like this image, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.